Hi mga ka-POV, day 77 danos to pagbasa sa 100 Lives Changing Coach Devotional ug magsugod na ta. Ingon diri nga, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take by Wayne Gretzky. So, it means ani ka nang take the risk ba? No? You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. No kanang mga na-waste na nga mga opportunity no kay you don't take a risk. Opportunities often requires us to take risk and step out in faith. If we don't take those steps, we may miss out on the blessings God has in store kay. Nung nasa huli ang pagsisisi mo lagi no. Commit your efforts to the Lord and trust Him with the outcome. Whether you succeed or fail, God will guide your path and establish your steps. So either fail man ka og success, trust gihapon sa Ginoo because God will guide our path, your path, no? And don't be afraid to take the shot. Trust that God will use every opportunity for His glory. If you have God in your life, don't be afraid to take the shot because God is always in your side and God will always guide you and He will use every opportunity for His glory. In Proverbs 16:3, ingon diri nga, commit thy works unto the Lord and thy thoughts shall be established. So no, commit to the Lord whatever you do and He will establish your plans. God will establish your plans if you commit to Him. Imo mga plano, imo desisyon sa kinabuhi kay He will guide you man. Musik gajud sa wisdom sa Ginoo to decide sa imong decision o ilabi na isangpit sa Ginoo imong mga plano aron magihan kag tarong and ilabi na kang mga crucial nga mga decision no, mga plano sa imong kinabuhi no. Need gajud na guidance no. So mo na ihatag sa Ginoo aron nice ang padulngan ug nice ang process inana kay God is working and God will guide you. Og mo na hinumdumi nga don't be afraid to take risk gajud labi na kung nakaisalig sa Ginoo ug labi na imo nang gi-pray sa Ginoo kay di jud mapakyas ang pulong sa Ginoo nga He will answer and He will guide you and He will establish gajud no sa imong mga plano.